Hi, Yuan. Hello. Hi, Yuan. How are you? It's been a while. We're so back, guys. We're so back. Hindi lang ang Zoomers, but also me. I'm so back. Oh, I'm so back. How have you been? Saglit lang ako here. I mean, if you guys want me to stay, then I'll stay. But yeah, how are you? Hello, good evening, Kay. Nakita kita sa gateway. Talaga po? Oh my gosh, sana po nagpa-picture po tayo. Next time po, mag-picture po tayo. Hello, Emily Atensio. Hi, Zuray. Hi, RSHMQL. Hello. Tanya Faye on the rise. Yes! Period. Tanya Faye on the rise. Tanya Faye is back. K-Stall is so back. Konbanwa. Konbanwa, Ichima-san. Konbanwa. Hi, Mary! I miss you too! I miss you too! Sana all stay. Oo nga eh, sana all nagsistay. Hi, Ali! Alina, I missed you more. Oh, Taiga-kun genki. Hi, Ems! Hello, how are you? Kei-chan, lap ma. Thank you, love you too. Sa Friday pa pick. Ano po meron sa Friday? Hi po, seated for... Happy Pride, Christine, Andrea. Seated for... Thank you, Be. Thank you. I love you so much. Huy, the red dress I love. Winatch ko last night. Di nga! Winatch mo last night! Oh my God, let me know what you think. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Hello, Nayram. Hi, Nayram. Hi, how are you? Hi, Kuya Roy! Shout out to Kuya Roy, Soldier Roy, right there. Shout out to one of my older brothers. Julian CB, konbanwa. Hi, Chaz! How are you? Tanya Faye Lubog? Sino nagsabing lubog? Sino nagsabing lubog? Awayan natin yan. Na-miss namin IG live mo. Oh, thank you. I'm touched. Eh di sana kung pumunta ako ng Beanie Day, may pick na sana ako with you. Hay nako, bakit di ka kasi pumunta ng Beanie Day? Sayang, super duper saya ng Beanie Day. Like, di ko in-expect na ganun siya. Parang siyang Disneyland but Beanie version. O, diba? Hi, Lifeline! How are you? I love you. Hi, Keisha! How are you? Hello, Ate K! You're so slay po. Hi, Rika! You're so slay also. Period. I love you. Thank you. Miss you, Kate-chan. Ano ganap mo tonight? Tonight, wala naman akong ganap. I wish I had ganap. Labas na ako. I mean, I've been at home for days now and I've been wanting to go out but also wag na lang. Gatekeep ko yung sarili ko. Huh? Saikin, isogashi. So da ne. So, ちょっと忙しいです。元気? Oh, Hannah! Hi! Hi, how are you? Ilayag and Tanya Faye, period. I'm fine ate. Seated sa season 2. Lapit na guys, super lapit na. Alam kong tapos na ata ang summer sa Pinas, but Zoomers, kami ang batas, so we will announce pag lumabas na yung Zoomers, it's summer once again. Nahiya ako pa picture sa Biniland. Kami po yung nasa DJ's booth. Bakit po kayo nahiya? Mabait po ako, kuya. Huwag po kayo mahiya. Picture po tayo. Like, kahit ilan pa yan, kuya, kahit mag-TikTok pa tayo, okay lang. Walang bayad. Hello, Ate Kay, musta ka na? Obsessed na ako sa'yo. Sa Pamilya Sagrado at Zoomers. Obsessed? You? Obsessed with me? Thank you, that's so sweet. I missed you too, Lifeline. Thank you so much for your love letters, as in it what keeps me going. Some of you guys know that I've been going through some personal stuff, and I've been really transparent with you guys. Thank you, it really means a lot. Okay na ako dahil sa inyo. Hi, Agnes! Si Kay yung dream girl ko, hanggang dream lang. Hanggang dream lang ba? I always join your Kumu live every time back then. Thank you, Hannah. I appreciate it. I'm happy that you're here. Kaona Shiju, hi, how are you? Miss your edits. Oh, thank you. I missed your edits too. Super bait ni Kay. Oh, thank you po. Thank you so much. Sa Biniverse na lang po kinakits. Okay. Nihon ni tsukimasu. まだわからないです。まだわかんない。8月かな ?8 月。すぐ帰りたいです。I miss you too, Cyrene. Congratulations to Kuya Clark and the wifey. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Grabe, time flies. Parang dati lang bagets lang si Kuya Clark and now he is a husband. That's so crazy. Matapang ka na ba sa Zoomer Season 2? Matapang naman talaga si Faye. Faye is a Leo. She's a fierce fire queen. And she's always matapang. But also very secretive. Pero yeah, siguro matapang na siya. Siguro malakas na yung loob niya. Love makes you brave. Love makes you brave. Love makes you brave, guys. Love is a choice. And love is all about being brave for someone else. Relate ba, guys? Sam, di kita naabutan ng isang araw. Saan, Ruka? How are you, Ems? I'm good din, Ems. How are you? May label na ba sa season 2? Syempre, secret. Hello! I missed you too. Invite Crystal. Pag pumasok siya, sige. I think Crystal is busy. Hugs. Okay. Sana may mall show kayo with Zoomers. Baka naman po. Oo nga, sana meron. Tapos, sasayaw kami ng zoom in. Zoom out. Zoom in. Diba, bagay? Pero sana nga po meron kaming mga promo. That would be so fun and we'd love to meet lahat ng fans ng Zoomers. I don't care daw, sabi ni Juniper. I don't care also. I don't care, Juniper. Who are you? Ate, nasa PH ka ba? Yes. Did you guys see na may fight scene si Faye? Oo, may fight scene si Faye. May action scene si Faye, guys. Magugulat kayo. Nagtumatumbling na si Faye doon. Naninipa. Fight scene. Kill Bill. I love you too, Bianca. Hello. I'm so happy to see you here. Okay lang ba, guys, yung ilaw ko? Is it weird? I'm so excited to write Tanya Faye scenes. I kind of want to write them in Faye's POV para angst. I'll be waiting for your fanfics. I've been seated. I've been abangers for your fanfics. I've missed all the AUs. I can't wait. Thank you so much. Sorry for being anonymous, Lifeline, and thank you for the compliment. Hugs for you. Bakit ka nga ba anonymous? Baka mamaya si ano ka pala. Baka mamaya si ano ka. Si Mark Lee, charet. Joke lang. Matapang din daw si Junifer. Mas matapang ako. You haven't seen the bravest of me yet. Kantahin mo yung Karera at Lagi. Pag-ibig na. Ay, hindi. Lagi nang umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala, lagi-lagi. Rooting for Faye, thank you. Mall show Zoomers manifest. Yes, guys, let's manifest together. Labyrinth pala, Ate Kea. Uy! In love yarn. I wish. Pala, Your Honor, miss na kita. I miss you too. Kay covers back. Talaga bang gusto niyo ako mag-cover ulit? I feel like hindi na ako magaling kumanta. Dati medyo okay pa. Pero ngayon, medyo matagal na ako hindi kumakanta. So like, I'm kind of rusty. I don't know why. Kailangan ko ng inspiration. Di ako inspired lately. I've seen a Wattpad story about Crystal. I'm still waiting for it to be completed. Meron! Oh, I see. That's so cool. You're a girl. Okay, girly. Congrats sa Pamilya Sagrado. Thank you po, Sir Froilan Cabiga. Salamat po. Abangan niyo po ako doon. Bilang Crystal. Cover ulit na wala na yung ibang covers mo. Hindi kasi magaganda yung covers ko na yun, Ruka. Bata pa ako nun. Your Honor, di na po maalala ni Kay ang part 2. Anong part 2? Anong part 2? What part 2? Part 2. Part 2? Kilala mo ako? Ano yung Ate Kay's Pov, kilala mo ako? Ano yung kilala? Sino yung kilala ko? Crystal Phillips. O yung ang shala naman ng pangalan na Crystal Phillips. Saan galing yung Phillips? Shala naman, it's giving Americana. Uy! Si Crystal na matapang sa Pamilya Sagrado, sure yun, Ate Kay. Pansin ko guys, lahat ng naging role ko, matapang. No! Lagi akong Palavarn. Senior high, Palavarn. Sagrado, medyo Palavarn. Di natin sure, di pa lumalabas. Faye, yes, Palavarn. Nagsasnatch nga ng phone. Runa, sa The Red Dress. Oo, matapang din yun. Kasi nakikipag-usap sa police. And then my next role, makikita nyo, matapang din siya. Gusto ko magka-GF pero dapat si Kay Kurosawa. Tama yan. Tama. You're making the right choice. Sorry, etchesera lang. Heart Garcia, thank you. Grabe teaser ng Zoomers, grabe ka, Faye. Bakit? Anong ginawa ni Faye? Bakit grabe? Dapat GF mo si Tanya sa huli. Oh, let's see. Tingnan natin. Kasi madaming umaaligid. Kaya lalaban talaga ako. Lalaban ako para sa pagmamahal. Hi mga Migs! Hello! I miss you so much! Mas maganda ako nung minakapan mo ako. Wag ka. Tapang mo, Faye! Thanks, guys. Sometimes you just have to choose courage. Rooting for Tanya, Faye, Endgame. Thank you. Ano yan, Deb J? Bakit bumubula yung bibig mo? Rooting for Tanya, Faye, and Game. Okay. How was your life, Ate Kay? Oh my God, my life. My life. My life. Alam mo, mas gugustuhin ko na lang maging si Faye kesa si Kay. That's my life. Pero okay naman. Bakit Crystal Phillips? Chaz, bakit Phillips yung last name ko? I'm curious. May lumabas ba na Phillips yung last name ko? Hindi ko alam kasi apelido ni Crystal. I'm sorry. I miss you too. Kailan ba kita ulit maayusan, Nak? Love you. Keep spreading good vibes. Mama Megs, alam mo, sige, papaayos na ako very, 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 very soon. May message kita kasi gusto ko rin mag-shoot. And gusto ko lang ma-touch ng Migs True. Alam mo yan. So, Mama Migs, I will message you. I love you so much. Love you, Ma. How are you as Faye? Faye is thriving. She's a businesswoman. She's an influencer. She's famous. She's popular. She's rich. Yeah, so kaya gusto ko na lang maging Faye kasi yayamanin ng ate nyo. Tapos may love life pa, diba? Sana pagkagising ko bukas si Faye na ako. Pwede ba maging kayo, Kay and Crystal? Depende po sa kanya. Ikaw ba yung sa Pamilya Sagrado? Opo. Ako po yata. May Zoomer small show po ba? Sana meron. Sana meron. Sana meron. Sana meron. Kaya let's all manifest together na magkaka-mall show kami at sasayaw kaming lahat. Kakanta kaming lahat. Diba guys? Bongga. Mas intense po ba ang Zoomer Season 2? Secret! Sana mag-collab kayo ni Ate Erica Davis sa live selling niya, Ate Kay. Kasama ko si Erica nung isang araw lang. Pero sige, parang G ako dyan. Nakikita ko nga siya nag-live selling. Sabi ko, ang galing-galing naman ni Erica. Mga di maka-move on sa kissing scene. Guys, move on na sa kissing scene. Sige kayo. Mapapanaginipan nyo yan. Galing mo sumayaw at kumanta. Na-meet kita nung June 8 sa Caravan at Celebrity Screening. Oh my God! Hi, Nix! Thank you so much! Thank you! Gabi, kabadong-kabado ako nun kasi very first mall show ko yon. As in, never pa ako nakapag-mall show ever in my life. And then, syempre, wala kasing may kilala sa akin dun. So, thank you so much po. Thank you. Lay Forest, we saw you last time sa Saigon Cafe. Oh my gosh! I'm scared. Lagi akong pumupunta ng Saigon Cafe na nakapambahay at bagong gising. Kaya di ko alam kung anong itsura ko nung nakita niyo ako kasi as in katapat lang ng bahay namin yung cafe na yon. So as in bababa lang ako ng kwarto ko tapos pupunta na ako doon. Parang sala ko lang siya. Kaya if tsaka ako nung day na yon, please understand. I'm not perfect. Pwede akong makakuha ng great birthday ko sa June 25, tapos wishlist ko ikaw. Uy! Part 2 sa YouTube, Kay and Crystal Cafe Date. Yes! I'm so sorry. Sobrang naging busy kasi ako kaya di ako maka-edit. But yes, magsisplice na ako. Beanie Bias, Mika, and Joanna. Okay ka naman, naka-skirt ka na colorful with friends. Lagi din po kami doon, pa-picture po next time. With friends? Hindi pa po ba tayo nagkakapagpa-picture, Lay Forest? Sana pala nagpa-picture tayo noon. As in, if nakikita nyo, if ever man makita nyo ako sa labas, anywhere, kahit na ewan, sabi kasi ng nanay ko, minsan mukha daw akong mataray. Minsan lang naman. Pero, that's not true. I'm always happy to see you. So, pag ganon, lapit lang kayo, tsikahin niyo ako. And yeah, let's take photos. Nakakahiya? Hindi! Huwag kayo mahiya. Mas ako yung mahiya. How old are you na po? Secret. 32. Joke lang. Ate Kay, what's your favorite Ghibli film? My favorite Ghibli film is Ponyo. Ponyo on the Cliff by the Sea. And The Wind Rises. And, ayun. Graveyard of the Fireflies. But that is too depressing. Mataray ka pala as per your mom. Hindi. Sa bahay lang ako mataray kasi I get tired too. Sa bahay lang naman, pag mag-isa lang ako mataray, kinakausap ko sarili ko, tas kunyari may kaaway ako, ganun. Kasi hindi talaga ako mataray, kaya china-channel ko na lang pag mag-isa ako. Kunyari meron na nakit sa akin, inaaway ko mag-isa. Habang naliligo ako, kinakausap ko yung kaaway ko. Pinapractice ko yung magiging confrontation namin na never mangyayari. Hi po kay... Hi, Faye! Yes, if you guys haven't met my boyfriend, he's right there. Pangalan niya Mark. Hindi ko lalagay IG niya dito kasi baka agawin niyo. Thank you, Lay! Salamin sa dingding, pwede ka pal makapiling? Yes, of course. Born to be approachable, forced to be mukhang mataray. Uy, pero hindi ako mukhang mataray. Sinasabi nga ng iba dyan, bakit daw puro matataray yung role ko? Eh, ang bait-bait daw ng mukha ko. Siyempre para, challenging. Hi, Emilio! Bini K, yes. Sometimes. Alam ko, Ate Kay, bagay sa'yo, psycho roles, yung baliw-baliwan. Bagay nga, kasi ganun na talaga ako sa totoong buhay. Medyo baliw-baliw na ako. Nababaliw na talaga ako mag-isa dito. Nababaliw na ako. Kailan kayo magkikita ng Zoomers Cast? I don't know. Si Erica nakita ko nung isang araw. Nanood kami ng Fruitcake, new movie ni Kuya Joshua Garcia. Pero, like, wala, may selfie pa lang kami. Pero, hindi ko pa napopost. Kaya, ipopost ko soon. Mukha kang mataray, pero mabait. Hoy, mukha ba talaga akong mataray? Curious. Kailan ba ako nagtaray, guys? Kailan ba ako nagmukhang mataray? Be serious. Mukha lang. Mukha talaga? Sana makasama ka po sa Batang Quiapo. Ano pong gagawin ko sa Batang Quiapo? Ako yung bata. Batang Quiapo. Mukha lang pero hindi. Ano yun? So, yung mukha ko mukhang mataray, ganon. Saang Saigon Cafe branch? Isa lang naman ata ang branch ng Saigon Cafe. Ano nga abangan namin sa Zoomers? Secret, guys! Abangan nyo yan. Panoorin nyo na lang yung teaser. Ginulat mo naman kami sa business mo sa BGC K by Wildfire. Guys, yes, please support my business in BGC K by Wildflower. Kung ano man yun. Actually, nakita ko yun. Na-curious ako, ano kaya yun? But, ngayon ko lang nalaman na it's by Wildflower. So, it's probably a cafe or restaurant. So, mapapicture ako doon. Tapos sasabihin ko sa kanila, di niyo ba ako kilala? Ako may-ari nito. Give me a free latte. Do you stand the boys? If yes, who's your bias? Wait, okay. I'm a casual stan, pero kasi puging-pugi ako sa kanila. Like, wallpaper ko sila minsan. So, yung bias ko doon, may photo booth photo kami ni Sonu. Tapos, bagay daw kami, ganun. Si Sonu, Q talaga ang pinakauna ko nagustuhan. Si Sangyeon, Sonu, Q, Sangyeon, and si Hyunjae, guwapo, yeah. Mukha ka po, Koreana. Kamsahamnida. How are you, Kay? Hi, Ashley. I'm good. I love your acting. Saan po? Thank you. Mukha ka po Koreana kesa sa Haponesa. Hala. Ang intense ng pinost ni Crystal. Ha? Anong pinost niya? Hindi ko pa nakikita. Anong feeling ng yumakap si Tanya kay Faye? Ako kasi my love language is physical touch also. I think that's my top 2. So, pag holding hands, masaya na ako. Kaya, ganunin lang ako, masaya na ako. Ay! Ano ba? Pero, ayun. nung yumakap siya sa akin, I felt tears of joy. Hi Mika, how are you? Good to see you pala ng caravan. Thank you so much na nag-heart ka sa akin. Sobrang lumakas yung loob ko mag-perform lalo kasi andun ka. Madaming physical touch. Oo, like holding hands. Like, holding hands talaga very special to me. Sorry guys, hopeless romantic. Yeah. Hi RJ Ramirez. Hello, how are you? Inaway mo nga si Juniper, grabe ka. Hala, hindi ko siya inaway, guys. Hindi ko siya inaway. Hindi ako nang-aaway. Wala akong kaaway. Kung meron man akong kaaway, it's because inaway nila ako. I never start fights because I'm Faye and I mind my own business. Like, my life is my life and I don't care about other people's lives because I'm too busy with my own life. So, pag may umaway sa akin, ibig sabihin, it's their problem. Joke lang. De, pero kami ni Hadia, I love her. She's my sunshine. Agawin ba naman si Tanya? Hindi nyo pa guys sure kung may agawan na nagaganap. Malay nyo naman, di ba? I love you too, Mika. That's so sweet. Thank you. Awayin mo nga kami in Japanese. Hala! Oy! Anta, nani shiteru no? Hindi ako marunong. Urusai na! Feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islang pantropa lang. Guys, mapanakit naman yung yung bagong lyrics. Ba't nyo naman nilaro yung pantropiko? Ang saya-saya, tas ginawa nyong mapanakit. Can't wait to go back with you sa islang pantropiko. Japanese po ba kayo? Sometimes po. Sometimes. Most of the time, Filipino. Ano to? Merong tanong. Thank you, Vea, Darlene. You look good today. Today lang? Thank you. Opinion about Tanya Faye. Ako? May opinion on Tanya Faye? I think Faye should man up. Man up? Pero kasi, diba, Faye, ikaw na nga nag-first move. Hindi mo pinanindigan, 'di ba? Inuna mo yung takot mo. So, kung nananahimik yung tao, tapos ikaw nag-first move, panindigan mo yung tao. Ganon. So, Faye, do better sa season 2. Panindigan mo yung ginawa mo. Fight for your love. Be brave for your love. Pinagalitan yung character. Syempre, alam mo guys, galit talaga ako sa mga taong walang paninindigan. Ang daming ganyan sa mga Gen Z. Daming ganyan sa Gen Z. And I've seen my girlies cry over people who na walang paninindigan. So, Faye, you cannot be one of them. Syempre, that's my girl Faye. She has to be better. I cannot have her be one of them. Madaming ganyan ghosting. Hi. This is why I don't know if I like this generation. But also, there are good things about this generation naman. Pero, I just wish na people wouldn't be so careless with other people's hearts, you know? Kasi, the world is harsh enough. Huh? Guru K. Hi, Arlo! Thank you! Miss na namin 2Ks. Miss ko na rin kayo. May silosan ba sa season 2? Silosan? Guys, bakit? Let's wait. Let's anticipate. Parang it's going to be so... Mawawala yung thrill pag kinwento ko, diba? So, anticipation is bliss. Saan galing yung Philips? Chaz? Am I awation? Ghosting tapos pagka okay ka na, saka ulit sila babalik. Ganun ba yun? Wag ganun. Faye, I don't think my girl Faye would do that. Faye is a girl after all. She knows better than men. Stay amazing and phenomenal. Big word. Describe season 2 with emojis na lang. Emojis. I'm gonna send an emoji here. Isang emoji lang. Isa lang ah. Ang hirap naman. Ito na lang. Pa sa Zoom kada, ayan, umamin na nagsiselos sila. O, diba? Ang daming silosan. Kasi naman eh. Bakit ba kasi takot kayo maging straightforward? I love that you're so full of good vibes lang. Oh, thank you. Na-ghost ata si Ems. Huy. Talaga ba? Kika! Krisha! I love you. Thank you. Ano yung sinasabi na Philips? Teka nga, kukunin ko yung iPad ko para malaman ko kung ano yung sinasabing. So, ano yung sinasabi niyong Crystal Philips? Kasi, bakit Philips? Gawa-gawa lang ba yun? Or... Hi, Pinky! How are you? Ay, naliwanag. Teka. Ano yung Philips? Wala naman ah. Kinakaba... Ay! Ay, oo nga! What the... Bakit naman? Ang funny! Si Crystal Philips, ang shala ng pangarap! America! Oh my gosh, she's so American! She's so American! Kapatid ko si Philip Phillips. That's so funny. Ay. Oh my God. Nakakatawa. Si Crystal Phillips. Oh my God. Saan galing tong picture na to? Oh my... Ang funny ng Phillips. I'm giving... half British. Guys, come on now. Opinion sa babaeng nagsisettle for less? No. Wag. Wag so much. Wag. Guys, ang yaman ng character, Phillips. Natawa. Ang shala. Ang shala. Wait lang ah. Nakakatawa. Nagulat ako doon. Crystal Phillips. Funny. Funny, funny, funny. Funny. Funny yun. Parang di ako maganda sa picture na yun. Maganda ba ako dun sa picture na nilagay? I look so different. Parang edited siya. Parang AI. Crystal Phillips? Sino ka dyan? Wait siya. Ganda ba ako dyan? Ganda ba, guys? Naka-conscious ako. Ang funny ng Phillips. You're making me laugh right now. Okay, back to regular programming. I'm gonna leave na in a bit, in 9 minutes. So, oh my God, biglang akong nahilo. Mahiluhin ako. Parang akong biglang na-vertigo. Nabugs ako dun ah. Ay, ba't ako nagka-filter? Saan galing yung filter? Ayan. You're making me laugh. You're making me laugh. My favorite Taylor Swift song? My favorite Taylor Swift song would be... Fearless. Fearless. You take my hand and drag me head first. Fearless. And I don't know why, but with you I dance in a storm in my best dress. Fearless. Ang shala talaga ng pangalan kong Crystal Phillips. Hindi ako makaget over. So, Crystal Phillips. Bakit kaya ako ginawang Americana? Guys, mukha ba pwede akong half American? Like, would I pass as a half American? Like, Kei Kurosawa from the Bay Area? Do you think, I could pull a white boy to fall in love with me and then we could go to Panera Bread? We could go on a date at Panera Bread and maybe get some Chipotle after. British? Oh, bloody hell. So, British? What should I say? Sana ginawa na lang pangalan sa akin, Crystal Ball. Diba? Crystal Ball. Para K-Stall pa rin. Hanggang Pamilya Sagrado, aabot ang Tanya Faye. So, I've been thinking about what I should do. Nice to meet you. I'm Crystal Phillips. I think Min Kineme role suits you. Talaga? Talaga? Yung mga etchosera. Water. Make me sweat. Make me water. Make me lose my breath. Make me hotter. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body. If I give you my time, make me sweat, make me water. My Lord Bridgerton, would you like to see me? Would you like to see me after the ball? I will inform my mistress to tell you to come in. Feeling ko mali. Parang nami-mix ko na siya sa Irish. Cool ng boses British. Ay. Baliw-baliwan na to. Half Japanese, half British. Oh my God, it's giving. Gosh, pwede kayo ni Joshua ni Kuya Joshua. Huy! Talaga. Faye or Kay? Of course, Faye. Anong manly? Sinong manly? Ate Kay, may I have distance? Distance? May I have distance? May I have distance? Sure, you may have distance. I don't know what I'm saying. Talaga bang okay yung picture ko dito? Natatawa talaga ako. Mukha siyang ni Remini. That looks so weird. Kay Armstrong? Do I look good, Mr. Armstrong? Yung voice po, manly. Yung voice ko, manly. Guys, nagbibinata na yata ako. Are you saying? Binata na ako. Pero sobrang red ng hair ko dito sa Pamilya Sagrado na Nagbibinata na ako, guys. Grabe. Ay, nahilo ako bigla. May season 3 po ba ang Zoomer? Sana. Yun din pinagdadasal ko. Sana may season 3 ang Zoomers. Kasi feeling ko deserve naman ng season 3 lahat ng fans ng Zoomers. Kaya, let's see. Ganda naman. Thank you po. Kamusta po kayo? Binata na, liligawan na si Tanya. Paano ba manligaw, guys? Kasi so far, ang mga nakikita kong ligaw tactics ng mga kakilala ko, it's not giving. Mga hindi marunong manligaw yung mga kakilala ko. How was your Beanie Day po? Okay naman po, masaya po. Galing mo kumanta ng Pamilya Sagrado Mall Show. Thank you po, thank you. What's your dream role? Like, what type of character do you wanna play? What type of character do I wanna play next time? Gusto ko yung parang, parang sa mga Wattpad. Yung mga pangit sa una, tas gaganda sa huli. Tapos, gusto ko yung ibibenta ako sa One Direction, tapos gagawin akong bodyguard ng One Direction, tapos aawayan nila ako, tapos may in love sa akin si Harry. Ganon! Mga Wattpad. Pero seriously, gusto ko rin ng role na very different from my image. Yeah, yung parang rebel, yung gusto ko i-try may tattoo, yung di bagay talaga sa akin, yung hindi bagay talaga, yung sobrang layo sa sarili ko. May tattoo, nagyoyosi, party girl, ganyan, daring. Ay, di man daring, but like, you know what I mean. Parang slay. Wala po sa Pinas si Mommy, pero babalik po siya ng July. Hanggang season 10, why not? With movie and concert. You're a good dancer po. Cute mo mag-dance. Thank you po. That's so sweet. Thank you. I appreciate it. Ang tagal ko nang di sumasayaw. Actually, mas serious akong dancer before. Nagper-perform talaga ako dati. Pero ngayon, parang I'm over it na. But then, na-enjoy ko yung last time na sumayaw ako. Kaya, ate, what about yung horror movie mo po ba yun? Release na po. Yes, nasa I Want TFC na siya. Pay-per-view siya. The Red Dress. Check it out if you want. Love your necklace. Thank you. Nahanap ko lang siya. Hindi ko talaga to style, but it's giving. Swaggy. Ganda ng mata. Mamaya ka na umalis, Ate Kay. Hala. Sige, tambay muna. Tambay. Okay lang ba kahit tahimik ako? I don't want anticipating my face in a red flush. You're so glowing in person. Sobrang ganda mo po. Talaga ba? Hala. Really? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hair color na di mo pa na-try pero gusto mong i-try. Gusto kong i-try blue! Or green! It's giving lumot. Pero gusto kong ma-try. Yeah. Feeling ko hindi babagay sa akin blonde eh. Pero dati muntik na ako mag-blonde. Parang 2 years ago, sobrang heartbroken ako. Muntik na ako mag-full blonde. Pero hanggang dito ko siya ginawa. Tapos hin-highlights ko na lang. You're so cute. Hi, Sas! Hi, Sam! Hi! Nice to see you here. It's almost a year. Almost been a year since I went to Korea. Or I think, was that July? I hope you're doing great and that your job is slaying and that you're happy and healthy. I hope to see you soon. Please come to Japan if you can. Sana next time di na ako mahiya magpahay sa'yo. Gusto ko sana na... Bakit po kayo nahihiya, guys? Ano ba? Ako lang to. I'm so approachable. Promise. Like, kahit ilang picture pa yan. Go. Nearly 1 year, yes, nearly 1 year since we met at the Namsan Tower. Thank you so much. I miss you, and I hope I get to visit Australia soon. Kung bibigyan ka ng role na kailangan mong magpagalbo, gagawin mo ba? Oo naman! Kahit ano, gagawin ko for a role. Actually, kahit ano. I mean, wag lang ano. Alam nyo na. Pero, okay. Actually, nag-uusap kami ng friend ko. Sabi, bagay daw ako sa Avatar. Sabi, bagay kasi daw sa akin maging kalbo. Kaya bagay daw ako sa Avatar. Sige na lang. Galing mo sumayaw sa Beanie Day. Nandun ako. Wow, thank you po. Sana po nagpa-picture po tayo. Ang funny. Super excited na sa Zoomers. Yippee! Yippee, yippee, yippee! Hawig mo si Beanie Mika. Ang layo! Talaga, ang layo po. Nahiya po kay Mika. Ang layo po. Maawa po kayo kay Beanie Mika. Pareho lang po sa amin is hair and birthday. And school. I know I have good judgment. I know I have good taste. It's funny and it's ironic. Only I feel that way. I promise them that you're different. And everyone makes mistakes, but just don't. Ano daw? Kalbo yung role pero required din na pahabain yung buhok sa kilikili. Ewan ko na lang. Sobrang na-excite na ako sa full trailer ng Zoomers. Ano kayang papakita nila doon? Maharani. If ever may mall show sa Zoomers, duet kayo ni Crystal. Ang i-duet namin is, gusto ko funny. Gusto ko ang i-duet namin. Ano kaya pwede namin i-duet? Sing for us! One song. Guys, medyo lang yung boses ko ngayon. Medyo ewan ko, hirap ako talagang huminga lately. I can't breathe to live without you. Hi, Sujin! How are you? I miss you so much. Sad song? Guys. You just got home. I hope you had a great day at work today, Sujin. Rest well. I love you so much. Sad song? Oh, bakit naman ganyan? May iyak din ako eh. Ano ang sad song? Guys, anong sad song? Any movies or series na pinapanood mo? Sa ngayon, wala. I've been reading books lang. Kasi I really need my mind to be distracted. Kaya, ayun. Anong Japanese? Na sad song? You are ang taas! Ang taas nun, Suji. Hindi ko kaya. I'm scared. Sad song by duet naman ni Crystal. Sad song. Bakit naman sad song? Eh, happy naman kami. Do you still go to LaSalle or did you take time off? I did take time off and I'm planning to apply to a different university. Please, please, please na nga. Para ano. Ay, may ad. Nag-expire na yung YouTube Premium ko, guys. I'm so broke. Di ko na mabayaran yung mga subscription ko. Thank you, thank you, Alessi. Thank you. Alessi, right? That's you. I know I have good judgment, I know I have good taste. It's funny and it's ironic, not only I feel that way. I promise them that you're different, and everyone makes mistakes, but just don't. I heard that you're an actor, so act like a stand-up guy. Whatever devil's inside you, don't let him out tonight. I tell him it's just your culture, and everyone rolls their eyes. Yeah, I know. All I'm asking, baby, is please, please, please. Wait. And please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice. Kanina abot ko to, but sobrang dry. There's me. Guys, walang naka-video na na. Wala kayong narinig. Wala kayong narinig, ah. Wala kayong narinig. I'm so embarrassed. Wala kayong narinig. Dahil dyan, ayoko na. Tama na. You didn't hear anything. Yeah. Guys, don't lie. That was bad. That was bad. That was really bad. Don't lie to me. Okay, post screenshot. Hala na, screen record. I-crop mo yan. Delete, burn it, don't let it out. Masisira yung career ko. Chay. May invalidate yung pagiging songwriter ko, guys. Baka walang tumanggap sa mga kanta ko pag narinig nilang pumiyok ako. Okay, guys, I'll go na. I'm gonna have dinner, and yeah, see ya guys next time. Thank you for joining me and for making me laugh today. I really appreciate it. So yeah, I'm gonna go. We can interact more on Twitter or sa broadcast channel. Yan pa rin nail polish mo. No, bago to. Kakaano ko lang to nung mall show. Ito yung nails ko nung mall show. Well, gel siya. So, pwede siyang tumagal ng 2 months. Hindi siya, nagbabakbak. Thank you, guys! Thank you, and good night. Have a good dinner. Normal pumiyok kakatek. And no! I'm a perfectionist. This can't be. See you, guys. Thank you for joining me. I love you all. And abangan nyo yung Zoomers! And yung full trailer, and I really hope that you will like it. And for now, habang hinihintay natin yung Zoomers, abang-abang na lang muna tayo sa mga ayuda. Abangers din ako sa mga ayuda ni Directed, kaya Directed and Direct Kevin.